The inspiration for all of our candles are based off of Southern agriculture, Southern cities, or Southern themes. So one of our favorites is Not Today, Satan, which basically means that we're not going to let any negativity enter our lives. And the scent is lavender, so it's a calming kind of scent. Charleston is our sweet tea candle because there's an active tea plantation still in Charleston. And our Southern AF, we're not going to say that. My name is Deshawn Russell, and I am the owner of Southern Elegance Candle Company located in Rayford, North Carolina. So I think that anytime you are creating a new brand, it is really, really important to create a brand that you can speak authentically about. And so Southern Elegance Candle Company really grew out of my love for living in the South. I was stationed in Germany with my husband at the time, and I really just missed home. I started the company when I was 45. I'm 51 now. I'm very atypical of what people expect to see as a CEO. I got a good heart, but this mouth. Needless to say what that's about. I went direct to consumer because it was easier. Oftentimes when you are a business owner, there are roadblocks to becoming successful. There are people that have been gatekeepers traditionally, especially as a woman of color. So one of the things that I have found as a small business is that we just don't have a large marketing budget. That's just a part of growing the business. But what we do have is a large network of people. So having influencers really just puts our brand out in front of as many people as possible. LTK Connect is definitely going to help us make it super easy for me to find influencers. Before, we were literally having to scour through Instagram or TikTok, interview influencers, try to figure out if they were a good fit, their cost, and all of that. And it was a huge time suck. When we're looking for influencers, we're looking for people that represent a variety of looks. This process just makes everything super easy for us, saves us so much time, and gives us influencers that we know immediately are a good fit for our brand. What's next for Southern Elegance is world domination. Okay, so wait a minute. First, we're going to dominate the United States.
That's our mom.
LTK Connect is definitely going to help us get there because it gives us access to influencers everywhere and all kinds of influencers that represent all kinds of lifestyles. So although our brand is Southern, it's not exclusively about working with Southern people or selling to people that live in the South. At the core of what we do is about faith, family, and community, and it really doesn't matter where you're located. Those types of things resonate with people everywhere.